this video, we are working on several things. Mainly, Junior is working on the go-kart steer, so he's making the proper welds and cuts to finish the go-kart that he's using. He's gonna kill me for this, but I can't remember what engine he's actually running. But he's turbocharging a bike's engine. I think it's for a Suzuki, but I could be wrong. I'll have to update that or fix that in the next video. For me, what I'm working on, I am working on the front subframe. I've been dragging my feet for a long time on it. I worked on the rear subframe. Basically, I took my rusted out subframe out and installed a new rust-free one. So I ordered a rust-free one from a dismantler out on eBay, and in the process of ordering that one, he also had the front subframe for the same GS300. I think it was an 02 GS300. So I got the front subframe as well as the rack and pinion from him, because I figured, well, I'm gonna have to take mine out. So if I can just put this one together and put all the Figs Engineering solid bushings on it, as well as the SuperPro bushings on everything, get all the Figs Engineering suspension parts that I purchased on these new rust-free subframes, I saved myself the hassle of having to use WD-40 or any type of penetrating fluid to losing bolts off of these rusted parts. So that's what I did with the car, but I did that mainly in the rear of the car. In the front of the car, like I said, I dragged my feet. I didn't do anything with it. So in this video, what I'm working on is to finally start getting the front subframe off. As you see, the car sitting right now on the test Hankook tires with this RVL center lock wheels. But I'm gonna start by taking the front bash bar, remove the Mishimoto intercooler, the headlights, just to give myself some room and just so I don't damage anything as I try to use the lift, not the lift, but the jack to lift the car up. So yeah, so that's part of what the video is. Enjoy. point, I realized that it would be best to just raise the car. So I hooked up the battery to the car to get the airlift system to compress some air so I can raise the front of the car. I haven't used the system in a long time, so I kept raising the front of the car and lowering the entire car. As you see right now, the car is aired out, so I just needed to raise the front. So eventually I figured it out, raised the front. But I also then ran out of memory on the camera, so I couldn't record any further. So I had to record a separate footage, as you see here, of the car without the front subframe. So the one you see right there, the front one that is on the ground, that's the old subframe. And then the one that is directly in the back, that is the new subframe. So that will have all the SuperPro bushings, all the Figs engineering parts, the Cusco body brace and everything on it. So we'll make sure that next time we have enough memory so we don't miss everything, so you guys can see it. I added some pictures here, which show the parts that will be going in on the car. So please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.